with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. So if you guys are doing any entertaining, you might have some straws out, or you might want to have a nice candle out, but I'm going to show you using the candle holder here from the Dollar Tree. Also one of the cylinder vases. One of the really pretty ornaments we've got here. And then some of the little plaid bows. And then I also have one of the lights for wine bottles in case you wanted to add some sparkle. So let me go ahead and show you quick, easy, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna use this guy, which is this beautiful ornament. And I'm going to cut this top part off. Well, actually just need to pull it off. I don't need to cut it. So we're going to take that part right out of there, and now you can't tell really where it's hanging. So if you can cut it whatever you'd like, but I want to make sure that we get this on. So of course, let's go ahead and go where you can see here. There we go. We're going to take that guy and flip it right over, because you know me, we're going to flip something, and that's what I've decided to flip. So then we're just going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to put this right around the outside. Now if you want it to be a permanent hold, then you could use some E6000, and if you want it to be a permanent hold with but be able to showcase it right away, then use the E6000 with some hot glue, just like I'm doing here with the hot glue. So now we've got that. Look how cute. Just that alone is super adorable. You could wrap some rope around it and it would be super cute. So we've got that. Then we're going to take this guy and we're going to give him a little bit of an edging right here as well. We're going to line that up. And we're going to take off a couple of these. Let's see if it can be done. I'm hoping it can. I'm going to get some scissors there. And if it can't, it'll still work, but I'd like to get it off. I use these Betty Crocker scissors for everything, so they will work rather well. So I'm just taking that off there. And I've got it going the wrong way, that's why. There we go. I'm only taking a couple of those layers off. You might need, there we go. I was going to say you might need a little bit of muscle there, and that's exactly what's happening. But once you get through that little part, you should be good to go. I know, this is going to be a long video just because I'm trying to get this thing done, right? There we go. So you could see how that came off, and then you could see the backing there. And then yeah, that'll work perfectly. So now we're going to take, and we're going to hot glue that same area that we just took that off. And be very careful. You want to have a lot of glue, but you don't want it to be touching your fingers there. And we're just going to hold it and let that dry. This is going to be the hardest part because some of that glue, since we put so much, is falling down, but we'll be able to take it off. I think I'm going to put a little bit on these ends here. that in place as well. Woo! I know, I already know. So I'm going to hold this here for just a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, I decided to put it on its edge, and because we've got so much glue, we need to wait for that whole entire piece to dry. So I wanted to be able to hold it, but at the same time not let it fall in any way. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to pull off any of those little pieces that fell down. Oh, you could see it still moving around. But once it dries, it'll be perfect. So any of those little pieces that fell off, if you have any ever stragglers, just pull them all. Just pull them all down. Sometimes I think that you guys are like, she purposely does these mistakes. I can't plan some of this stuff. So, but the fun part is the end. That's what I like. And then we've got this little extra. I mean, we could put it here. We could put it over here to give it another little bit. If you wanted to, maybe up here. Ooh, up here would be good. Right? That would be cute. Okay, I'm going to do that. Well, I have to wait anyways. But this one is not going to need so much. This one just needs a little bit. See, that one stuck no problem, but it's this one because we're trying to hold so much, and I think we're good. There we go. Look at how cute that is. And then again, any little stragglers, just go ahead and get them off of there. Is that adorable? Okay, I wanted to put this guy down here. We'll see, because that came out so cute. I was going to put him right at the top, but he came out so adorable that we might not need to. But we could put him down here. See how cute that is? So we're going to go ahead and do that. Again, hot glue. And we're going to put it right under that snowflake. This really is adorable. So we've got that. And if you don't want to put this, or if you choose to get a different ornament of sorts, you could put your bow right at the top. And then you just take your little bits of lights. This one happens to go in a cork for a wine bottle, but you just stick those in the back here, or you could put a tea light if you'd like. We're just going to stuff those little guys right in there. Oh, it's so cute. And then you've got whatever you want to put in there. I'm going to put my paper straws because I put that on my coffee bench area. And this is just going to go so cute. See there? Such a cute way to display some of your little items there. So there we go. How cute is that? I love it. All right, beauties, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the DIYs, I know you've been asking for them, so I've got some, especially during the season. This is when I love to do my DIYs. But so cute, so adorable. I love it. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.